The easiest way to make an animated 3D logo in After Effects without any plugins. First, make sure your logo is a PNG. Right-click and pre-compose the logo and check Move All Attributes. Click OK. In Effects and Presets, search for Shatter and drag this on your logo. In your control panel, set View to Rendered. Now you can see what you're doing. Now extend Shape and set Pattern to Custom. And the shader map, choose your logo again. Go to Force 1 and set everything to 0. Now go to Camera Position and you can turn it a bit. You see your logo is already in 3D. If you go back to Shape, you can add to the extrusion depth and make your logo a bit thicker. To fill in your logo, go to Texture and in Side Mode, put it to Color. And with color here, you can choose any color you want for the sides. I choose the same color as the logo and make it a bit darker. Now you can animate the logo with the camera position keyframes. If you want, you can play with the lights and make it as pretty as you like.